Space. It's vast, it's cold, it doesn't have air, and there's a lot to explore. But if there's a lot to explore, then why haven't we yet? Because, according to Google, space is really big. Wait, that's not right. That's probably right. I've brought up this discussion because today I'd like to answer the question, what are the best proposed means of interstellar travel? In 1958, a plan was devised by Freeman Dyson and Ted Taylor. The plan was to build an interstellar engine that used nuclear bombs to propel the ship forward. How does the ship not explode? Here's a diagram. Just think of it as a big plate that goes up and down and basically rides the shockwave of the explosion. This project was dubbed Project Orion. Freeman Dyson theorized that, with the necessary amount of fuel, Project Orion could reach 9% the speed of light, or the equivalent of traveling 4¼ Earths a second. Believe it or not, Project Orion got off the ground and they began testing in 1959. But all good things must come to an end, and on August 5th, 1963, the partial nuclear test ban was signed and Project Orion was shut down. The interstellar ramjet. This concept was proposed in the 1960s by Robert W. Ramjet as a part of a study to find the best means of interstellar travel. Now put on your big kid's cap and buckle up, because this is where we take a leap from big rockets go up to actual college-level astrophysics. An interstellar ramjet has two main parts of it. The top of a rocket is essentially a big funnel that funnels hydrogen, a very important chemical found in rocket fuel, from interstellar medium into the rocket. The second part is the combustion chamber, which uses thermonuclear fusion. Here's a YouTube video I found. I'll try my best to explain it. These little particles get scooped up from space, and they get shoved down this little crystal called the fusion chamber. Particle fusion happens when two particles get very close to each other, at which point they fuse, and a huge amount of energy is released and shot out the back of the rocket. With this concept, an interstellar ramjet could achieve constant acceleration, the fastest known way of travel. With a similar concept, a light sail could be another way of interstellar travel. A light sail uses the same funnel technique as the ramjet, but instead funnels light and condenses it into a laser. With this method of propulsion, we could get to 11% the speed of light. These light sails already exist, and they've been sent to space by the Planetary Society, started in 1980 by Bill Nye. Light Sail 2 has been in space for 2.5 years, and it's going, whoa, very slowly. Obviously, if a light sail were to travel at interstellar distances, it would have to be absolutely massive. This brings us to our conclusion. What's the best? Maybe the big bomb rocket or the ramjet? Actually, all these methods are garbage compared to this thing called the particle accelerator. Using physics so advanced that it would take an hour to explain, a particle accelerator speeds up particles to the speed of light and throws them back at the wall for science. And somehow, a particle accelerator makes more advanced innovation in science than anything else. If we were to strap this massive machine to a rocket, it could maintain a speed of 99% the speed of light, due to Einstein's theory of relativity. And there we go. We've made it to the end. Thanks for listening to my rant on rockets. There are still some big questions I didn't answer, like, what is a rocket? What is the reason of life? And how can I recreate Einstein's theory of relativity? If you want those questions answered, ask me? I don't know. I'll probably have the answer. Well, thanks for listening. Bye.